Okay, we have options today. We have options. Don't ask me why there's firewood in my trunk. That's top secret. Just to say, this truck's headed Montana, and for those of you who know me, you know what I'm going to do with Montana once I get there. But I like options. I think today we're going to go with the Pintle hook, if I can dig it out. Although that receiver sure is tempting. But let's go with I think the Pintle will give us a little bit more versatility. Try to get more of this one. Ooh, take your mirror out. I know on the last one I did this point of view thing, everybody said, we can't see what you're doing. So hopefully this one, you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna try. May end up getting a GoPro with a chest mount, but right now we're gonna go with this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's it. There's it. Oh, got it. There's a Pintle adapter. Like I said, I have my 2-foot stinger I could use on the 2-inch, but that wouldn't make a very good video now, would it? Just sliding that 2-inch stinger, putting the pin in, going. No, y'all know how to do that, I guess. Now these seem like every Pintle is a little different how it wants to work. That wants to go backing up. Just hang it on there like that. Come back. And I need to pull the car up. Of course I do. Gotta find my other bolt too. Actually, I think the other bolt is in my tool bag. I think it's one of these. Maybe not. If not, no, it's not one of those. That'd be too easy if it was just one of those. Too stinking easy, wouldn't it? So yeah, that's one of them right there, I believe. Well, we'll find it. First, we got to worry about getting the car close enough. Little man in here, bear dog, protecting. Yeah, you're protecting everything, ain't you? So I am on duty. I'm ready. Hello. They just brought it over, and I'm hooking up now. Or I'm about to hook up. Yeah, it's good. They went in, and it was a sensor, and they replaced the sensor, and I'm fixing to hook up and roll out. But that was breakdown calling. I had called earlier. Because my dispatcher said you better let breakdown know, so if it does take a long time to get this fixed, you can get breakdown pay. So I said, you got a point there. So that was breakdown calling back to see the status. And the status is we're cock locked, ready to rock up. Okay, now we got too close. But too close is better than too far. You see that this snaps, well, if you lift it. And then that comes up over that. And you gotta have the right bolt. That's pretty much all. I mean, if you run into this, especially if you run a receiver, what did I do just do with that bolt? This is about the easiest hookup you'll have right here. Oh, there they are, right there. That's actually, I use a lock nut, of course, and I have a wrench for that. Can't get it off now because why? Well, it's a lock nut. The whole point of having a lock nut is not easy to get off. Then you got to find the right size wrenches, like crescent size or adjustable wrench. Some of y'all will call it, well, it's an adjustable wrench. You're right, it is, but it's been known for centuries as. Okay, let's not play this game. Let's get it. Okay. And these bolts here, this piece here, really its only purpose is to keep this level. You know what, I just realized I'm missing a washer here. I could go find a washer. I'll be right back. Oop. That's the bottom. I might have one in here somewhere. I think I see one right there, yep. I have a plastic toolbox, a cheap $5 plastic toolbox full of bolts, different sizes, nuts, washers. Okay, let's cooperate. Cooperate. Can't do this with gloves on, I don't know why. Okay. If that's really a service truck or a truck they got for sale here, you know? Now the crescent wrench doesn't want to fit the nut I just used. Where it goes. Where it goes, man. Is it not? There we go. Okay, let's try to get this again. Yeah, she's biting now. I like for this adapter to be level. When I say level, like that, level, this level with a hitch. Get the other side a little bit. Well. And in order for that to happen, there is a hole in this bottom plate where that nut is supposed to go there, just like that. there's a nut on the bottom of this hitch, and it needs to go in that hole so it'll get flat. I bottomed out on that one. Bottomed out on that one. Okay, that's better. About as good as we're going to get right there. Okay. And let's get our pin. Chain probably. And we got a pin in here someplace. Actually, I have several pins. Yeah, that's the old one. It's a new one, man. New one's got to be stronger, right? Better, bigger, stronger, better.
Better, stronger, faster.
Okay. There we are. We're almost hooked up, boys and girls. This is much faster than, well, I can hook pinch hitch. That's a pretty good angle. If I don't like that angle at some point, we're not level ground, so if I don't like that angle, I will use my stinger on that. And I need to put the pin back into this one. Put that in there. DOT likes to see us kind of stuff. Okay, let me get my chains. We're going to use the two 10-footers today and use the 20-footer in the box. First, we got to take the 20-footer out to get to the other 10-footer. I'm not crazy about this little Ohio town, I tell you, to be honest with you. There's no really good way, doesn't look like no really good way out. Everything's like state highways for 20, 30, 40 miles. And I don't like that. I can't like it. I guess I can use cables on this, but I don't like to use cables. I think I've said in previous videos I prefer chain. Chain. Apparently see that red grease all over. Apparently my can of red grease sprayed all over the place at some point. Okay, I sure hope y'all getting all this. Ain't really no big hurry. I got 1,600 miles to go. They ain't gonna be there tonight. Gotta go through Chicago, not looking for that, forward to that. I could go around one of the alternate, alternate routes. It takes me through Indianapolis, going down Columbus, down through, but you know what? Damn I-70 so freaking rough in Indiana. I think I'd rather fight the traffic in Chicago than go down that way. So that's what I'm going to do. A little closer, just a little closer going to Chicago. Okay. Still not crazy about that height. I may end up putting my stinger on, but we'll see when we get on level ground. I've had it at a much greater angle than that, but we are going long stinking ways. Oh where are my little zip ties? Oh where could you be? I think this is them here. Zip tie, zip tie. Zip tie. Okay. Now, let's get our hang up our chains up off the thingamajig ground. Uh-oh. Come on now. I had it right. Don't be that way with me, chain. Don't be that way with me. We don't need it. Nobody needs it. Ain't got no time for that. Okay. Chains on. See if we can get our light on. Looks like a standard 7-way truck light. Let's move some firewood. Dun, dun, dun. Chain, chain, chain. I think y'all heard me sing that great rendition before. Could do this a lot faster if I wasn't trying to film, but I really don't get in a hurry. It doesn't pay to get in a hurry. Chain, chain, chain. And just like that, folks, we are cocked, locked, and ready to rock dock. I'll probably put a zip tie on here someplace to doubly hold that. Let me go see if we're gonna work. Oh, I like these dump trucks with lights up high. And those lights are working. Okay, well, there you go, folks. I just got to put my placard and license plate on, transported plate, and I am headed to Montana. We'll catch y'all there.